Okay, we're here again with another Mercedes. This one is actually 2011 C250 4MATIC. This car came with a tow truck and actually opened the whole. Let me just put everything back. So this car came with tow truck. The reason why it came with tow truck was that they couldn't turn on the car. The customer said a heavy smoke came from the engine, and I was like, God knows what happened to it. So I checked for the relays. C250 2011 starter relay I replaced. Nothing. I checked the bottom. I wasn't getting any power on the starter motor. I had the power from the battery, but not when you wanted to crank, it wouldn't send the power to the starter. And I looked after doing the relay. I look here, that fuse number 24, this one was burned out. So what happened was I came along, I changed the fuse again, and I tried to start the car. I saw another heavy smoke coming out of the engine, and this time thankfully I saw it. And then sorry for the mess, guys. Yeah, so the problem actually was the ignition coil. This ignition coil, you could check all of them. As soon as it made a smoke, I popped the air intake, and I checked. There was a little liquid right on top of this coil. So as soon as I put my hand in it, without even starting the car, this one was too hot, and the rest everything was cold. So I checked all of the 5, and just this one here was too hot. So I removed it, and after removing that, just want to test. Open the switch. Crank, it cranks, but right now the battery could be dead. I have to charge the battery again. Put this coil too, it cranks now, guys. So a lot of people say it's the relay, fuse, starter. They did a lot of work on C250. I came with this one here with the ignition coil. So hopefully if it's gonna help you guys, if you have, hopefully not you guys, it's not gonna come to your car, but God forbid if it can't, you guys come along this problem, just make sure if you see any smoke, pop the hood, open your air intake. It's just a clip here, open it, and hose, you just lift it up and check all the coils. If any of them is hot, just change them. You don't have to pay $2,000 to $3,000 to the dealer or other mechanics. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.